What's the meaning of controlled economy? Controlled economy. Controlled economy.
Controlled economy. Controlled economy. A controlled economy refers to an economic system where the government regulates and controls various aspects of the economy, including the production, distribution, and pricing of goods and services. This type of economy often involves restrictions on individual freedoms and private enterprise, as the government exercises significant control over economic decision-making. The result of a controlled economy may include reduced competition, limited consumer choice, and potential inefficiencies in resource allocation due to government intervention. However, proponents argue that it can provide stability and equity, particularly in times of crisis.